This is the end. As we know, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is literally confirmed to leave the iPhone 16 Pro series to dust when it comes to being the most powerful phone on the planet thanks to Snapdragon 8 Elite, aka the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. While this is great, it will also mark the end of Samsung's own dream probably forever. According to a massive report coming from South Korean media, Samsung is having some major issues when it comes to the in-house production of their 3nm Exynos chips, which means all Galaxy S25 models could use Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or there's even chance for the MediaTek's Dimensity 9400 because Samsung has done the unthinkable by using the MediaTek flagship chip for their Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, in case you don't know, pretty much confirming the end of Exynos in the flagship scene. And no, even Google is breaking up with Samsung and hooking up with TSMC for their upcoming Google Pixel 10 series next year. So yeah, even though Samsung has surpassed Apple decisively thanks to Qualcomm and MediaTek, just know this is not how they wanted things to go. Despite that special dream team working on that dream Exynos chip, as the name says, it's just going to remain a dream. So welcome, dawn of a new era where Android is now decisively ahead of Apple thanks to the efforts of both Qualcomm and MediaTek. It's going to be epic. Also, we have perhaps the most exciting Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera upgrade on the scene. If all goes well, this is going to change the game completely. We're going to talk about it right after this. I have never seen a charger this cute. Meet Ugreen Uno Charger 100 watts. It's got a groovy robot design with cute little shoes that you can take off, and as soon as you plug it in, you are greeted with a TFT screen that displays real-time charging status through various cute emojis. You can charge 4 devices at once thanks to 3 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port with 100-watt max output. I've also been using the Ugreen Uno 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger with an adorable robotic design and a smart screen to make this process fun. It provides fast 15-watt wireless charge to your phone, meaning your iPhone can charge up to 41% in just 30 minutes. You have 70 degrees of adjustment, meaning you can choose your perfect viewing angle. Plus, by connecting a USB-C cable, you can charge multiple devices. So make charging fun today and take advantage of the awesome discounts on Ugreen's website. Click the link in the description below and get these now. Alrighty, so in case you don't know, apart from the ultra-wide-angle upgrade, there will be no hardware change on the Galaxy S25 Ultra compared to the S24 Ultra, but there's going to be one major noticeable change in an area where we wanted this change to happen for so long. Samsung could actually dethrone Apple when it comes to video performance. Yes, this was first mentioned by Ice Universe, and now it's been getting further double-checked with the latest rumors that Samsung is indeed putting a lot of effort in improving the video performance on their upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Of course, major highlight towards the S25 Ultra, as this will be the phone with the 200 megapixel sensor. If I have to take a guess, Samsung might bring a night mode for video on the Galaxy S25 series. With the power of Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the 2nd Gen Galaxy AI, Samsung could really transform the camera experience. They might even do something similar to Google, but I really hope that everything they do with AI regarding camera stays on device. Now, speaking of Galaxy AI, just a kind reminder that some Galaxy AI features will become paid in 2025, as Samsung double confirmed their plans during the announcement for the Tab S10 series and the S24 FE. And last but not the least, the software that will be on the S25 Ultra One UI 7.0 is in action. This is the first ever hands-on via Sam Mobile, showing off what Samsung has built, pretty much confirming what we already talked about, like the new control center or the notification panel setup. We have revamped icons, new smoother animations, as well as a new camera app layout. And in fact, this is just the beginning, because Samsung has planned so many features with One UI 7.0 that we'll see very, very soon. The only catch is that we're not going to get the beta update until December of this year, so things have definitely been delayed quite a bit. And the reason behind this is simple. Samsung has been working really hard when it comes to optimizing their UI completely down to the notch, making sure that we get the absolute best, smoothest experience. With One UI 7.0, S24 series will be completely transformed. I can't wait to check out all the things that Samsung is cooking for 2025. Let me know your thoughts on what seems to be a final ending of the Exynos processors when it comes to flagship scene. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.